This video is brought to you by Polish and Perfected, which is available now at latasha.com. Ladies, thanks so much for your questions. Once again, I'll be answering one that I receive often is, why should I use a makeup primer? Primers are very necessary because they prepare the skin for the foundation application. They help to prime the skin, hide any texture imperfection, smooth out your pores, and it allows for you to use less product because you have a nice smooth canvas to start painting on. Question number 2, how do I choose the proper foundation for my skin tone or my skin complexion? So ladies, when you're looking at your product and you're looking through the packaging, I prefer to shop places where I can actually test the color because you never know how something may dry down. But I'll just say start with this simple technique. If you do a color stroke or a color swatch, you should be able to blend from the end of the cheek area down to the neck, and there should be no color distinction. If those colors equally blend, you're headed in the right direction. Don't forget to purchase the right lip, available at latasha.com.